Hi friends, welcome to my new channel Techari, and this is the first video that been uploaded on my channel. And today I will show you how we can really make awesome looking logos for your YouTube channel or any other purposes using a website. And it's a free website. I can download logos and create logos absolutely free without paying any money. So if you're interested in watching videos that related to tech, you can really check out our channel and subscribe our channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
You should take it slow.
For going to the website, you really need to open up your Google or any other browser that you really use. After going to the browser, let's search for Designevo and click on enter. You can really find a website called designevo.com and just click on that. Here, click on make a free logo. And now you can see so much logos over here. Select one of that you really like, and if you don't finding what you really needed, you can go and select one of the categories and select what you really like. I'm gonna just select this one. Let me click on that. Now you have a pop-up window saying enter your logo and logo name and slogan. Let me enter my logo name and my slogan. And click on get started. Here you will find the editing window where you can really edit the text, shape, background, icon, everything. And let me adjust my text to here. And you can also scale that. If you really need to change the text, you can click over here and click on that. Click on the text that been available. For adding shape, you need to click on the shape section over here and click on some of the here. After you edit your text, you can logo, you can really download it from here. Click on the download button over here. Here click on download a low resolution free logo. Now it will ask you to sign up. You can really sign up using your email account or a Facebook account. Let me sign up with my Google account. And now you really need to click on download and agree. And a zip file called logo will get downloaded and you need to go to your desktop. Now just extract that. After extracting, you can see a folder called logo up here. Just open that tab. And here you can find the logo that you really made on two extensions. One is on JPEG and one is on PNG. You can really use both of them, and it's really awesome. And if you really get something from this video, just please subscribe my channel. It will really encourage me. And it will make me encouraged to make some more videos that related to tech and some of videos that you really needed. And thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for the next video.